Listen to this. 5 reasons why a person might avoid getting into a relationship. Number 1, fear. A lot of people lack confidence. So therefore, the fear is reflection of your confidence. Some people won't ever approach the person that they genuinely like or love because they're too worried about the results. They fear rejection, not understanding that rejection is a part of life. It's better you know than not know the truth. So I suggest you try. Number 2, insecurities. See, sometimes you think that might be the person for me, but it's your insecurities that's telling you that it might not be for you. Listen, a lot of us play on our insecurities a lot of times when we're choosing a mate. Most people choose down because of the fact that they feel so insecure about who they are that they don't feel comfortable showing that someone is too strong or someone is too confident for them. Insecurity is a reflection of lack of confidence. Number 3, sometimes the feelings are reciprocated. They want to approach a person, but sometimes they feel like the person is not really giving them any rhythm. But sometimes you might got to get yourself out of friend zone. Some people are in the friend zone because they never really showed the person that they was ever really interested. So the person may not see you that way. So sometimes you got to get yourself out that friend zone and get out your comfort zone and go after what you want. Number 4, the time you may have looked at the person, they may not have been ready for something serious. Sometimes people don't get in relationships because they know that they still have traumas and they know that they still have issues from their last relationships. So sometimes there are people that give themselves time to heal before they jump into new relationships. You just might meet that person when they're in that transitional space where they're saying, you know what, let me get to know myself again before I jump and hurt somebody else. Number 5, the person might be busy with their career. Listen. Sometimes people don't get in relationships because they're focused on their careers. Listen, at the end of the day, you have time to set yourself up. But I'm going to tell you, some people that are focused on their careers don't focus too much on your career that you don't realize that you're losing good opportunities of potential life partners. Notice, God may give you what you want, but sometimes he put things in front of you what you really need, but it's on you to see what you really need. Don't let that go over your head.